Hello guys and welcome back to Total Crypto for another Coq Inu. Guys, if you haven't already checked out my last video, please do so now, because if you had and you traded exactly where I said, you would have been up by more than 25% move to the upside. I see that we can go much further to the high, and please stick around for the show, so let's roll the intro. Hello guys and welcome back to another video for Coq Inu. Now, for any of you who watched my last video, either you traded or held like a diamond hand, you would have been up by 25% start from today's trading day. So congrats, hats off, and congratulations to all of you. But for anyone else who hasn't, guys, you are still in a very early stage of a crazy bull season coming up. However, we are looking to quite possibly pull back, and once we do see the pullback, that could be another decent entry for us to move much further to the upside. Right guys, so I hope you can start following my channel more often, because I'd like to use a lot of technical analysis and a little bit of fundamentals, but it's mostly technical side of things, because you can see exactly what I'm thinking, where I'm looking to trade, re-enter, or when to exit. So I hope that made all sense to you. But jumping into this video, let's go into the daily chart. Right guys, as you can see from the daily chart, we have made this lovely move to the upside. Let's get the measuring tool. How do you trade my breakout strategy, as I mentioned, or even this pullback in accordance to my last video? Then you would have been up quite easily, or still be up 25%. However, there could be a pullback coming in. Hopefully it won't be a massive pullback, but nevertheless guys, if we do see something like this, where we go from here to there, then from here much further to the upside, then this area here will be a perfect retest to come back towards what previously used to be support, now resistance. Maybe put in a limit order there. Guys, I love limit order, because sometimes you might be wicked into a trade and it just continues blasting your way to the upside. That's one of the beauty things about the limit order. But once again, I will mention disclaimer, guys, this is not financial advice. This is something that I've been doing for a long while as a trader, and something that I like to share with the viewers such as yourself. So hopefully you can start trading more profitably, but most importantly, manage your risk management, so therefore you have more wins than losses. Right guys, and that's the Patreon link that I've just shown you, and hopefully you find that also quite useful and informative, and most importantly fun at the same time. I like to make my video transparent, but most importantly quite fun as well, because trading, I know it's not always fun or glitz and glam, as many influencers tend to say, or the way they portray trading in general. Trading can be quite difficult, but hopefully I broke things down and made things a lot more easier for yourself and for everybody else. But anyway, enough for the jibber jabber, let's get straight back into the video. Right, so on the daily chart, it looks like we might be looking for a pullback. If we do, it'd be a 25-26% move back down to the downside in around about this area here, because if you look to your left, this is an important area, the all-time high which we've broken up from. Usually whilst we go out for a price discovery, we do tend to pull back. That pullback can be quite volatile, where we could do something like that, then we might go possibly even further deeper down, and then from here go all the way back up again. It could be part of an Elliott wave, or it could be Wagyu beef stick, or whatever. But at the end of the day, this is cryptocurrency, and it can do something like this. But seeing as we are in a bull season, the likelihood is we could see something along like this. If we do pull back, blast away above, we might find a support from this current all-time high, which is in a price discovery, and if we do break below there, we could see a second retest there, forming a possible double bottom. Then we could see a massive surge to the upside. Either way, if you've been holding here, that's absolutely crazy, because you would have been up by more than 90%. However, if you've held from all the way down here, which we've been chatting or speaking about for quite a while now, then you would have been up quite easily 395% move to the upside. I wouldn't count your chickens yet, nor would I exit all of your trade. If you want, you can always take some profit here. For instance, if you do pull back, you can put your profits back in to your Coq Inu in order for you to see more rewards for the future. And if that was to happen, guys, that would be an absolute insane move if you held from here. Otherwise, if you felt you missed out, guess what? You haven't missed out at all. Just wait for that retest there. Maybe add like a limit order there. And then we could see so many zeros being eaten up. How many zeros? Right, this could be the fun part of my video. So why don't we zoom in first? Then we can pull out the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very top to the very bottom. And if we were to go all the way up to the very top of the Fibonacci retracement tool, I'm just going to bring out the horizontal line just so I don't miscalculate the measuring tool from where we are currently. So if you do come back down here and we go all the way up to the very top, that's an additional 440% move to the upside. But I reckon if we continue going even further up, I wouldn't be surprised if we go all the way up to a half a cent. And as we can see, if we carry on powering our way potentially to the upside, it's getting even much longer to reach to that half a cent mark. So hopefully it could be achieved within this bull season. If it does, we could be looking at anywhere between, oh wow, look at that, 145,551% move to the upside, and that is a fantastic move to the upside. So let's say, for example, if you were to hold that for the 145,000 and then 551% move to the upside. I know it sounds a bit impossible, but trust me guys, in crypto nothing is impossible. You could either go up by that much or it could go down by that much. Either way, there's a buying opportunity. If we do go up by 145,551% move to the upside, then if you only put in $100, that would give you $145,000. And guys, that is a massive move to the upside. To be precise, it's actually $145,551. Right, guys, that is insane. That is truly insane. How many people do you know has that kind of savings? Probably not many of your friends, right? Unless if they've been fortunate enough or worked really hard to get into a corporate job, maybe they're starting their own business and making their own money. But this sometimes investment does take like a lifetime to reach that sort of level. But in crypto, if you go into any project that early, it's never impossible. That is $145,551 just with $100 that you put in now. But what if you put in 200? That would give you 291,000. But if you put in $1,000, I'm sure some people do have at least $1,000, then you would receive $1.4 million by investing into Coq Inu with only just $1,000. So guys, I hope this is an eye-opener to what you can achieve with cryptocurrency. I'm not saying that we're going to definitely hit, because once again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is something I've been doing for a long while. However, in the realm of cryptocurrency, anything can happen. Coq Inu has not experienced any bull season yet, so guys, it may even happen this bull season, and if it doesn't, then the likelihood is it could actually happen in the next one. Either way, guys, you're either in it to win and for the long haul. If you not, wait until you see what happens in this current bull season coming up, which would be the ultra bull season, and then we will see just how high Coq Inu we go. But before I leave you all to that, guys, leave a comment in the bottom. Let me know whether you're holding Coq Inu and how much of the bags are you holding Coq Inu, and whether you're bullish for the long haul. Either way, guys, There will be another video coming up shortly. So until then, please do me all a favor. If you haven't liked this video. If you haven't subscribe over here. And if you'd like to watch my next video, click over here, and I'll see you all in the next one.